National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, Kane, Lake, and McHenry. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Kane County in northeast Illinois, Lake County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, until 9 o'clock p.m. At 4:56 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Doppler radar rainfall estimates suggest as much as 3 inches of rain has fallen from portions of northern Kane County through eastern McHenry and far northwest Lake County. Additional thunderstorms continue to develop and train across the warned area. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Water on roads and low-lying areas was reported to be rising quickly in the Crystal Lake area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, viaducts, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely.